Looking for a reliable tool that does it all? In this video, we reveal the 5 best jump starter air pump combos for every driver. These powerful devices can jumpstart your car and inflate your tires all in one compact unit. Whether you're commuting daily or heading on a road trip, these combos are the perfect emergency backup. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links down in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started with the video. First product on our list, UTRAI JS5 Portable Car Jump Starter. The UTRAI JS5 4-in-1 Jump Starter is the ultimate emergency tool for every vehicle owner. With a peak current of 2000 A, it can jumpstart gas engines up to 8.0 L and diesel engines up to 6.5 L, ensuring you're never left stranded. Its 16,000 mAh capacity serves as a reliable power bank to charge your devices while you're on the go. This device also functions as a 150 psi air compressor, perfect for inflating tires in emergencies. The LED flashlight offers 3 modes, including SOS, making it ideal for nighttime repairs or roadside emergencies. The dual digital display provides clear, real-time data on your battery status and air pressure. With fast charging in just 4 to 4.5 hours, this portable car booster is designed for durability and convenience in temperatures ranging from -20 degrees Celsius to +75 degrees Celsius. Whether you're at home or on the road, the UTRAI JS5 is a must-have for safe, efficient travel. Second product on our list, BUVAYE 4-in-1 Car Jump Starter with Air Pump. The BUVAYE 4-in-1 Car Jump Starter, an essential tool for any car owner. With a powerful peak current of 2500 A, this jump starter is capable of starting engines up to 8.0 L gasoline and 6.0 L diesel. Whether you're stranded on the road or need a quick start, this device ensures you'll never be stuck again. But that's not all. The BUVAYE jump starter also functions as a 150 psi air pump, perfect for inflating tires or other inflatables. The built-in LED light provides solid illumination for nighttime use, with SOS and flashing modes for emergency situations. With a 10,000 mAh battery capacity, this jump starter also doubles as a portable power bank, offering USB charging for your devices. Its compact, user-friendly design makes it an ideal solution for all your emergency needs, combining versatility and reliability in one handy device. Third product on our list, BIUBLE Powerful Car Jump Starter. The BIUBLE 26,800 mAh Car Jump Starter, a powerful 4-in-1 emergency device designed to keep you on the road. With a peak current of 4250 A, it can jumpstart most 12V vehicles in seconds. Whether it's a car, SUV or truck, it's built to perform. What sets it apart is the built-in air compressor, delivering up to 150 psi. It quickly inflates tires, sports gear, and more. This compact tool is ideal for roadside emergencies and daily use. The 26,800 mAh power bank ensures multiple jump starts and can also charge your devices via USB. It features 4 internal batteries for reliable performance and high conversion efficiency of up to 90%. Safety is key. This device includes a digital display, built-in lighting, a warning light, and even SOS mode. It works in extreme temperatures, from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. Compact, durable, and multifunctional BIUBLE delivers peace of mind wherever you go. Fourth product on our list, Buture Car Jump Starter Air Compressor. The Buture 4-in-1 Jump Starter, a powerful, multifunctional tool perfect for any driver. With a peak current of 2500 A, this jump starter can handle vehicles up to 12 L gasoline or 8 L diesel engines, making it an essential emergency tool for any car owner. Not just a jump starter, it also doubles as a 150 psi air compressor, allowing you to inflate tires quickly with its digital tire inflator feature. The 20,000 mAh battery ensures multiple jumps and can also charge your devices with its 2-way fast charge feature via USB. The built-in LED lighting with SOS and warning modes ensures you're safe, even in the darkest situations. Weighing just 1.5 kilograms, it's portable and perfect for emergencies. Don't wait till you're stuck, make sure you're prepared with the Buture 4-in-1 Jump Starter. Fifth product on our list, ZUKAKA Car Jump Starter. The ZUKAKA 26,800 mAh Jump Starter with Air Compressor. This compact yet mighty device delivers a peak current of 4000 A, capable of starting 12V engines up to 10 L gasoline or 8 L diesel, perfect for cars, trucks, or SUVs. It also doubles as a 150 psi air compressor, quickly inflating tires in emergencies. Equipped with a high-capacity 26,800 mAh battery, it functions as a portable power bank with QC 3.0 fast charging. The LCD display and built-in LED lights, including SOS mode, ensure safety day or night. This jump starter offers up to 40 starts per charge, operating reliably in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. With Type-C input and USB output, it's versatile and travel-ready. ZUKAKA combines power, safety, and convenience, making it an essential companion for every driver.